What is the effect of biomagnification on top predators? Which ecosystem is most affected by ocean upwelling? What is a major ecological impact of invasive plant species? What is the role of nitrogen-fixing bacteria in the rhizosphere? What is allelopathy? Which ecosystem function is enhanced by riparian buffers? What term describes the rate at which biomass is produced over time? How does climate change affect phenology in ecosystems? Which adaptation allows desert plants to conserve water? What is the term for species that rely on very specific habitat conditions?